You can create text documents and spreadsheets in your personal and public folders. For example, select My Documents from the Destination folder. Click the icon Create a Text Document. You'll see a page with similar functionalities to the ones available in Microsoft Word. You can create your own text document directly from FreeDoc. Here, you may begin typing the content for your document. Select the text and you are able to conduct typical activities such as bold, underline, and move the text with a set of commands similar to the ones in Microsoft Word. You can select the style, search for a word, add a table, add an image, insert a header, and format your document as you wish. You can publish the document with its native format or as a PDF. Type the document title, and you are ready to publish. Your new document is now published in the folder. You can follow the same steps to create a spreadsheet. You can create and edit a spreadsheet in FreeDoc. You have access to the classic spreadsheet where you can insert cells, values, and formulas. You also have access to all the typical spreadsheet functions, such as text color, automatic sums, etc. You can merge cells, select cells and change their format, insert charts, set the page layout, and use the formulas that you are familiar with in Microsoft Excel. At the end of your activity, you can save the document in Excel or PDF format in your destination folder.